Another day sitting in traffic. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. I hope you can hear me. I have the AC on because guess what? It's 90 degrees here in beautiful California. Yes, I'm in LA County, so the heat is real. Sorry, I'm like putting it on my chest. But anyways, guys, I had to lower the AC. Welcome to the channel. I'm excited for this one. I've been doing these series on, just recording on my phone while I'm driving, being interactive with all of you, answering your questions from the comments. I love answering your questions on the comments. So if you want me to give you a shout out and mention your comment question, please drop more comments, drop more, because I love helping you out with what I know from building a few cars, the N20, 320i, and now my 440i. And it's been fun, I'm exploring a lot on how to go about building cars out. And for some of you, you're like, bro, you don't even track, so why in the world are you saying building? Well, building cosmetical stuff, adding some bolt-ons, maybe even adding some like track, rotors and brake pads and braking systems, upgrading it for the track. Because guess what? I want to take my car to the track. I really do. I want to take it to the track. And for that, you do need some stuff. You have to upgrade your braking system. You have to make sure you're running proper brakes. Your fluids is proper, and also the oil sump. Because guess what? If you have the wrong oil system of flow, if I can put it that way, you may just choke the engine or start it from oil, and that's a bad thing. You don't want to start your motor from oil. So anywho, let's get on to this video. And I got this question 2 weeks ago, regarding coding sport mode or sport plus mode onto your BMW 320i. Now check this out, man. I made this video. This question was by Angel. You see it right here. And he asked basically if this coding can be done on a 320i. Well, guess what, man? That car that I coded on was a 320i. I did my coding on a 320. And the reason why I did this video is because 320s and 328i's don't come with Sport Plus mode. You have to code it. All BMWs come with Eco, Comfort, and Sport, but not Sport Plus mode. And if you enable Sport Plus mode, guess what? You can release the traction, and that's a cool thing because you can do donuts, burnouts, and you can code in launch control, which is a really fun thing to have on all BMWs. So I totally recommend it. If you want to get yourself an OBD adapter, look at the link in my description, and I will add my recommended OBD adapter for you to go get one. Yeah, and I've been using this one for a while. Totally recommend it. It's beautiful, fast, and it gets the job done, guys. So I made a whole video on how to code it, so I'm not going to reiterate that. But again, if your car does not have Sport Plus mode, and if you don't know what Sport Plus mode is, it's this. Let me show you. So you see right here, we'll go to Eco, Comfort, Sport, and you got Sport Plus, which is always all sorts of fun. So yes, most 320s stop right here on Sport mode. Doesn't give you the ability to go to Sport Plus mode. So yes, you can code it. It's possible, guys. It is possible. So as you see right there, my 440i came already equipped with Sport Plus mode. I gotta turn off because I don't want to run on Sport Plus mode. I gotta save gas in California because it's almost $5 a gallon. Doesn't make sense for me to do Sport Plus mode all the time. It just doesn't. If somebody flexes next to me, bro, you're on your own. You pay for your own gas. No way. Nope, not worth it. But anyways, guys, I hope this brought you value. Thank you for the question. If you drive a 320, 328, if you want to have some more fun on your car, get that OBD adapter, download Beamer code, and I got a video up here that can show you how to code in Sport Plus mode and launch control. So I hope this helped. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you next week, family. I got more installs coming, more parts coming in, so stay tuned. All right, that's it, folks. I'll see you.